Hello and welcome to Weetzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're going to make some things. All right, welcome back to the channel. Another carving underway. So obviously a fire hydrant. So this one's going to a real special place. I was approached about a week ago, asked if I could make this for kind of a new friend. I've known him for a while, but I've gotten to know him over the last couple of years pretty good. That is retiring from the military, from the United States Navy. So he did like 21 years and just decided that's all I need to do, and he's got another career going. So he has been involved with the fire department, the local town fire department, and you know, I'm kind of proud of the guy. So he goes from defending the country to defending his town, and you know, first responder and stuff. How do you know, how can you not, you know, make something nice for this guy? So he's really into the fire department stuff. So this is what I came up with, and this is a first for me. Again, all chainsaw, and there's three separate parts: the front valve or coupling, and then the two sides, made just from the same log but different diameters. And then I just used dowels and attached them with wood glue, so real strong. And then a first for me is incorporating metal. I ended up gluing these stainless steel bolts in, you know, the flanges, and it looks great. The contrast of the red, and then I left these unstained. This is watered down, water-based red stain. Didn't want to cover everything up because once you burn it, the grain, again, the grain is just my favorite. This just looks so cool. And yeah, I could have got a lot fancier. I could have got a lot, but then it becomes, you know, like a true carving. I wanted to get that rustic wood look still. I want to keep that grain. So modified the top a little bit with some sculpting, and the front just to make it look like a coupling. These two, again, all chainsaw. And then a little bit of sanding and then some burning, and there you have it. So Scott, man, I can't be more proud of you. You know, these are the people that volunteer to do this stuff day in and day out and get no credit. So congratulations on your retirement. Congratulations on your second career. I know how passionate you were about both of them, or going to be about the second one. So man, just so happy there's people like you on this planet, man, and you're an inspiration. So I hope you get many, many years of this. This will be an heirloom for you and remind you. Oh, and on the back of this, let me spin it around. This thing's solid, it's heavy. I didn't want to get too fancy because I was investigating a lot of these fire hydrants, and there's a lot of writing and all that, but I just carved in USN and then the years that he served. So, and it's just super basic. And then on the front, with the chained couplings and stuff, I obviously just attached that to there, but this is also a brass US Navy lock. So obviously I have a nice little collection of those. So, and it came with a key, so he'll be able to undo it if he wants to. So it's just my style. I'm going to present it to him today. As a matter of fact, we're going to record the retirement ceremony. So I got to leave here in about an hour. So, man, I hope he likes it. I know he will. I sure enjoyed making it. This round part was a little more difficult. A lot of plunge cutting with the saw. And then, I don't know what you call it, but skimming or scaling or something, where you just run the blade flat against this and then just keep walking it around until it becomes round. And, you know, the tree does most of the work because it's almost perfectly round, but that's why I left this flange and this flange the original diameters and contours, because it's a tree. I wanted to make it, you know, I left some scars down here from the chainsaw I love that stuff. I love the fact that you can see the imperfections. When you walk up to most of these fire hydrants, they're pretty beat up. They've been sitting outside. They're, you know, once in a while you see a freshly painted one, but all the ones in my neighborhood have been here a long time, so they have some battle wounds, I guess, or some distress on them. So I just made it look as though it was sitting in the wayside, just waiting to rescue somebody. So how cool is that? All right, let me switch the camera and then I'll do some all the way around close-ups of this thing. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Scott. I am the Public Works locksmith. I've been here for 18 years. He's been the guy that's keeping me pretty much employed with his building and tickets, things that he needs fixed. And that's how we got to know each other. Your professionalism has been wonderful, and in return, I hope you enjoy mine. So we congregated and said, hey, you know, I'm retired, I'm getting out of here, I'm turning over to things. And I thought, well, what do you want? What can I do for you? You know, because he's done so much for me and helped me in every situation that we ever had there. So I said, hey, how about I make you something? How about I make you something to remember what your journey was and what your journey is going to be? So he started talking about the firemen and the fire teams and stuff that he's been involved with. So here's a guy that does 20-some years in the service defending our country, wants to get out and defend us here locally. A little emotional. I'm really proud of you. I can't be more proud of someone. So I think that's pretty impressive for anybody to do that. So with your passion, moving on to the fire department, and pursuing that, I came up with this. Let's start. The ultimate man cave. Now, I'm also a chainsaw artist. So this was 100% made with a chainsaw 2 days ago. My neighborhood kind of looked at me a little funny because I was out there measuring our local, fire hydrant, looking at stuff, and everybody's, hey Ted, are you okay? Yeah, I'm just doing some research. So this was a direct copy, but obviously I put my own twist on it. This is the first time I ever did metal and wood together. So, and it's all stainless, so if you store it outside, if you store it in your man cave, it's going to last you a lifetime. It's sealed. I tried to mimic, the closures, the chain, that is a true U.S. Navy military brass lock. So don't yell attention on the deck, it may take off. And then the best part of it, I just kept it simple and a very USN 01 to 22. Otherwise, there's so many numbers and there's so many serial numbers on the back of these things. I just kept it simple form and everybody can see what it goes to and what it's for. So, congratulations, and I'm gonna miss you.
Electronics technician.